Greetings, friends, adventurers. Now that you're all equipped and got everything you need to go, let's head on out. Today, it's spring. Everything is in bloom. Some of the things are already done blooming or getting close. So let's go out and see how many different native plants we can identify. Let's look at as many flowering plants as we can, because flowers are one of the main descriptive features of a plant that help us identify it. So get your field guides, get your journal, make sure you got something to write with. Let's go see how many native plants and flowers we can locate and identify. We're searching for a very elusive flower, native Pacific Northwest wildflower. You will know the plant. Hi, Coco. Who's standing right next to it? Oh, there, with these beautiful spade-shaped, heart-shaped leaves. The kind of interesting veining. You can see they're finely toothed along the edges. And then, if you go underneath, oh, and there it is. Look at that. It's really, really fascinating looking, almost alien looking flower for this native plant. So where it's growing should give you hints on how it's growing. I'm really down right in the ground. The flower is right against the ground, not sticking up, not really brightly colored and showy, except on the inside. So this will give you a hint as to what creatures are pollinating this flower. There's another bloom right behind it getting ready to open. So this one, unique. There's no other plant in the Northwest that has a flower looks quite like that. Should help you identify this interesting mystery plant that has in its name a spice that one might use in cooking. Welcome back. Got this native plant that we took a close look at a little while back. Here again is this really nice shiny heart-shaped leaf, and then remember, we get down, you got to get down here really low to the ground and to find these really wild looking flowers. Here, I'll pull back a little, open it up, and then there you can see this wild shape of the flower. And if we get real close in there, you can see what it looks like inside that flower. Really kind of cool. And one of my field guides says it's got a pleasant smell to it. The only way you can smell it is like getting down on the ground. So that's what I'll do, is get in here and does have a pretty little smell. That's pretty exciting. This is called wild ginger. Wild ginger. Indeed, the roots, guess if you break them, grind them up a little bit, they've got a gingery flavor to them. And what was special to remember, and something, the clues are right here, you have to get down really low to the ground to even see the flower. We lost it. Oh, there we go. So you got to get down here real low, and that gives you a hint as to what pollinates this flower. Anything this low to the ground, well, it's not going to be the flying insects that are going to be pollinating it, but instead it's going to be crawling insects like ants and other things that are going to pollinate these ground flowers. All right, how exciting. Such a pretty, unusual looking flower. Wild ginger. Hope you were able to identify that one.